Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a car. It could be almost any car guys. And if you have a problem where you hear wind noise, sound coming from the door, window, that area somewhere, stay with us, we'll explain why your car may be really noisy guys. You may even hear road noise. All that will be covered in this video today. Now, one of those things is actually a mistake people make that will lead to that noise, and we'll explain what it is. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We always buy cars, we always take them apart, we show you how to fix almost anything. Why we do all that stuff guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts too at a good price and quick shipping, check out guys the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can guys actually save a ton of money. So talking about wind noise guys, okay, what can easily cause that now? First, you gotta make sure that the window guys, okay, some of the cars that have a window, okay, that you don't have the frame, okay, what you need to do, make sure that this window guys it's actually adjusted. Okay, first, if the window was removed, maybe it wasn't adjusted correctly, the window regulator maybe wasn't installed correctly, or the window wasn't just adjusted. Second, after replacing a car battery on these modern cars, often you need to initialize the windows. We have a special video that explains how to initialize a window. That means that the window will go up, okay, all the way, okay, and will close correctly, otherwise it may not close correctly. We'll go ahead, initialize ours, and we'll continue. We initialized ours, let's see now. When we close it, it's going to go all the way up and close. What else you need to look? You need to inspect your door seals guys. For instance, you gotta make sure that you don't have a broken seal. Often you may have a double seal, okay, I'm talking about one around here, seal, and you may have another seal that's often around the door as well. Make sure that they're not loose, they're not broken, they're not ripped off. Sometimes people will do that, they will grab them, they'll pull, kids will grab them, or sometimes when you get it with a purse or something, especially women I've seen guys, or if you have buckles or anything like that, knives on your belt for guys, you can actually guys break these seals, and that can cause noise as well. You may need to adjust your door. We have a special video that explains how to adjust our door. Let's say you close your door and your door doesn't close correctly all the way, it's loose on one side or on this side here, that will create wind noise. So we have a special video that explains how to adjust car door. Check out the complete video, will be on our channel guys. Now something else that can easily cause that now, let's talk about that. Something completely different guys. We're talking about door insulation. Often when replacing window regulator, motor, windows, you need to remove that insulation. People will just rip that thing off, they'll break it, they will impatiently remove it, and it will break. It could be like this foamy stuff, or it could be a plastic clear foam as well. Often, okay, this one, if you remove it the correct way, watch, you can reseal it correctly and it doesn't come off. Don't pull on it too much, you just get a knife and cut that glue, and later it reseals correctly. So everything will be nice and quiet again. Otherwise, without that thing, you'll hear a road noise, wind noise, okay, quite a bit of noise guys. That can affect it as well. So hopefully this video will be helpful to any of you needing to find out information. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.